Welcome to my top 5 best shampoos by L'Oreal Professionnel Serie Expert. If you're new to my channel and if you're not, welcome back. I'm Mike. I'm a hairdresser, a L'Oreal Color specialist, a makeup fan and a skincare lover. In today's film we are gonna be doing top 5 best shampoos by Serie Expert by L'Oreal Professionnel. So if you want to find out what are my favorite and best shampoos by L'Oreal Professionnel, then you better keep on watching. What is the story, everyone? In today's film we are reviewing one of my favorite hair care ranges, which is Serie Expert by L'Oreal Professionnel, and I said, you know what, let's do top 5. And when I looked at the range and I was like, I only can pick 5. It's been very, very difficult, but I narrowed it down. So those are my top 5 products. If I couldn't pick anything else, those would be the products that I would stand by all the time, and I don't want to lose them. I don't want them to be discontinued because brands do tend to discontinue products that I like. So you guys, we have 5 shampoos here that I absolutely adore and love, and this is my top 5 of the best products by L'Oreal Professionnel in no particular order. Starting off with product number 1, Metal Detox by Serie Expert. Now you guys, Metal Detox is probably one of my favorite shampoos by Serie Expert, and I do use this in my hair. This is an anti-metal cleansing cream for your hair. This shampoo is also sulfate free. This shampoo works like a detox for your hair at home, and it will protect the hair from excess copper getting into your hair, damaging the hair cuticle and dulling down your color. Excess copper from water can dull down your hair color, lose its vibrancy, and even change your color. And what I love about Metal Detox is this is what we needed on the market. Why? First things first, it's sulfate free. It's a cleansing formula. Smells absolutely amazing. It is perfect for all types of hair, whether your hair is fine, thick, dry, sensitized. This is perfect for colored hair and hair that is porous, that absorbs everything from that water, because as we all know, metals are very damaging to the hair, and if we mix metals and color, that can damage the hair even more. But metal itself that is found in the water can also alter the hair color, and metals in the water are so bad for your hair that we need something that will cleanse it out, and this is what we needed on the market, and this is definitely shampoo I use a lot. Vitamino Color by Serie Expert. Now you guys, here we have a classic from L'Oreal Professionnel Paris, which is Vitamino Color, which is a perfect shampoo for preserving color. This color protecting shampoo is a lightweight formula, and it will protect your color, giving it vibrancy for up to 8 weeks, which is absolutely amazing. I love this shampoo in general because it's a good overall shampoo when it comes to color protection. And let's talk about Serie Expert in general. Serie Expert is a good professional hair care range that is quite affordable. So this shampoo is very good for preventing color, and I love this shampoo because, especially like when I do clients that are copper, that are red, colors that tend to fade a lot quicker, Vitamino Color is one of those shampoos that will help to hold on to that color, making it shiny and vibrant for a lot longer. Resveratrol is the active ingredient in this shampoo, which is an antioxidant that is naturally found in the skin and also in grape seeds. This antioxidant prevents color fade and also adding the hair softness and shyness and manageability. Overall, I think Vitamino Color is a good all-arounder, and it's good for an everyday shampoo. Like if I didn't have any shampoo, I would use Vitamino Color because I mean it smells beautiful, it is iconic, but when it comes to color saving, Vitamino Color is brilliant. And I mean the whole Vitamino Color range, 10-in-1 Vitamino Color, absolutely amazing. So if you're looking for something that's a good color saving shampoo, Vitamino Color is for you. Chroma Creme Purple Dyes. Now you guys, this is a very new addition from Serie Expert from their neutralizing hair care range. So we have purple and blue, and I did review them on my channel. I reviewed most of those products on my channel, but this is professional neutralizing and care in one. And when I reviewed this product and I started using it, I was like, oh my god, I absolutely love it. This product is absolutely amazing because it's not a purple shampoo, it's a neutralizing shampoo, and it neutralizes, the purple one neutralizes all the yellow tones, so it's perfect for blondes and platinum blondes. And guys, and the results are magnificent. This is literally like a toner at home. This shampoo not only gives you neutralization, but it leaves the hair with beautiful shine and softness. I absolutely adore it. And if this wasn't out, I would probably say Magnesium Silver would be my favorite shampoo when it comes to like neutralizing shampoos from Serie Expert, but the Chroma Creme has outdone itself. It's absolutely beautiful, and like that, if your hair tends to go yellow, tends to go brassy, this product is for you. And I promise you guys, you can check my review. It neutralizes and makes the hair look absolutely amazing, spotless, and there's no yellow residue left in it. Absolute Repair by Serie Expert. Now you guys, when it comes to Absolute Repair, we are talking about dry and damaged and sensitized hair. And do you know what? I had to include this product in it because like that, this product is brilliant for combination hair. And what I mean by combination hair, this product has the perfect balance of strengthening and nourishment. Like that, we do have protein and gold quinoa in it, which means we have hydration from the quinoa and we have the strengthening properties from the protein. So if our hair is sensitized and our hair is dry at the same time, this product is for you. And we don't have many shampoos out there. They're either shampoos for dry hair or sensitized hair, but here we have 2 in 1. So we're not only getting nourishment, but we're also getting strengthening. This shampoo is perfect for damaged hair and it will resurface and seal cuticle by retaining the water and nutrients in the hair fiber. So like that, you guys, our cuticles are going to be sealed. We're getting the perfect balance of hydration and strengthening, and also this formula is lightweight. So if you have dry and sensitized hair and you don't know what to use and you don't want anything too heavy, this shampoo is perfect for you. Pure Resource Shampoo. Now you guys, I do not physically have this shampoo, but Pure Resource has been one of my favorite shampoos from Serie Expert. Why? Because it's an oil controlling shampoo, and if you watch me, if you know me, you know that I suffer from oily hair and oily scalp, and Pure Resource by Serie Expert is absolutely amazing. It is an anti-grease purifying shampoo that it will control the oil and hydrate the ends. Also, it will remove any residue and build up from our hair, leaving our scalp feeling spotless, fresh, shiny, and our hair beautiful. Like that, it will control the oil, control the sebum. Like that, we do have ceramides and vitamin E in it. Those are our 2 active ingredients. And you guys, when it comes to oily hair, Pure Resource by Serie Expert is absolutely beautiful. The scalp feels lovely afterwards. There is no residue on it. So if you're looking for a light cleansing shampoo and you suffer from oiliness, Pure Resource by Serie Expert will be your choice. Right, you guys, when it comes to top 5 shampoos by Serie Expert, we have some iconic, amazing products. Obviously, we have the anti-metal cleansing shampoo, which is metal detox, because as we all know, metals in the water will dull down our color and it will just, make our color look funny. So that's where this shampoo comes into play, and it's absolutely amazing. And we do need this in our hair care routine. Obviously, we have Vitamino Color, which is a classic and it's a perfect all-arounder, giving our hair shine, vibrancy, and up to 8 weeks of vibrant, lasting color that we need. So for color preservation, this shampoo is amazing. Chroma Creme, forget about purple shampoos. Let's talk about neutralizing shampoos. This shampoo is absolutely amazing, and I swear to you, if you have any bit of yellow in your hair, and if your hair is blonde or platinum, this shampoo will sort you out, because like that, it's a neutralizing shampoo, and not only it will neutralize the hair, but it will also provide your hair with amazing condition. Then we also have Absolute Repair, which is a very interesting product because we do get the balance of nourishment and strengthening. So like that, we have the moisturizing and we have the protein. So if our hair is damaged or sensitized, it will work both ways, and it will resurface and seal our cuticle. And at last, we do have Pure Resource by Serie Expert, which is probably, well, it's one out of many, one of my favorite shampoos for oily scalp, that will remove the buildup and residue on the hair, maintaining that freshness on the scalp and maintaining the oiliness on our scalp. Anyways guys, thank you for watching this film. I hope you found this film interesting, helpful and useful. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also check out my other social media, and of course you guys, please do what? Do take care. Bye.